Hey, what is up everyone? We're out here today at Bowling Green Raceway doing some more racing. We're out here today for the OSCA Monster Mash. This is the Outlaw Streetcar Association finals for this year. It's starting to get cold here. As you guys can see, I got my beanie on and I got my thick jacket on. So this is obviously, there's a bunch of bracket cars coming. I'm sure you guys can hear me over them. But a lot of different classes out here today. We chose to run Limited Small Tire. It's kind of like Mean Street that I ran at Huntsville Dragway at Radio Fest, except the indexes are a little bit slower. It's anywhere from a 535 to a 555, and we drew a 545 index. So already made 2 rounds of qualifying, did pretty good. I'll show you guys those 2 passes. I'm just kind of dialing the car into this index racing stuff, but I'm very happy with how it's been doing. The DA out here is extremely low. It's like negative 200 or 300 feet right now. It might even be lower than that. So the car is running really well. It went a 540 at 130 on, what was it? It's a 540 at 130 on 22 pounds. Turned it down to try to hit that 545. It went at 549 on 19 to 20 pounds. So I turned up 1 more pound for this first round. We got the Pro Charged teal Mustang. So he went, I think on qualifying, he only went 7.3. I know that car's fast. I'm not gonna take him lightly, so I'm gonna get up there, I'm gonna do my job. So we have eliminations round 1 coming up here in a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna get the car ready, get it to the lanes and ready to race. So we'll see you guys up there. Go ahead and get this thing warmed up. It's been sitting here for a couple of minutes. So we won first round. Yay! So here, let me show you guys the time slip. So here we go. I think I got the car dialed in on this 545 index. So I was racing the teal Mustang Pro Charger car. That thing sounded nasty next to me. I did forget to turn the GoPro on, so I didn't get any in-car footage. But anyways, you can see I don't know what happened at the tree. He must have some technical difficulties or something, because he went 0.4. I went 083 on the tree, and then 129 60 foot. I got the car dialed down pretty soft on the 60 foot, just so I know it hooks every time. And then 548 at 122. The mile per hour is low because I was ahead of him and I didn't see him, so I kind of like hossed the gas a little bit at the end, or really just let out of it before the stripe. So I think the car would have went a 47 or 46, which is spot on. I don't really want to push it any farther. I like to have that little bit of buffer there. So we're gonna get into get the car cooled down a little bit, and we're gonna go into round 2. I don't know who we have yet, so we got to go up and look at the qualifying sheet, figure out who it is, and go on from there. And hopefully we'll keep going rounds. I swear I filmed an outro last night, and being an idiot, I deleted all of the videos off of my camera. So once again, I'm filming an outro here in my garage after the fact. But just so you guys know, I did film one, and just my fault. But anyways, want to close this video out. Just wanted to show you guys the big check that we got really quick for winning the limited small tire class. This is like my favorite part of winning the class. Like, the money is nice when you win, but I don't know, to me, like, just big check right here is really cool. And then I've got the other one from last year at my Nats up there. So pretty cool. Gonna hang it up over here. And I got this hat here, OSCA winner. Probably hang that up there with the check as well. So, little recap. Get over here in the light. Little recap. Last 2 runs, The track was not quite as good as it was earlier in the day, so as you guys noticed, I spun. Also, I only have GoPro footage from the inside of the car on the final race. I apologize once again. I deleted the video. Nothing I can do about it now. It sucks. But glad I at least got that GoPro footage of the final race. So last 2 runs, did spin a little bit, slowed my times down, but was still able to pull off the win and ultimately win the class. So I'm extremely happy with that. The next event for us is going to be my Nationals, November 14th through the 17th. So I'm going to start getting ready for that. And that will be the end of the season for us, and then we'll start doing some winter upgrades again. So that's all I got for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.